Okay guys, RG with viewers tayo mga boy. Wait tayo. Ano to? May Grandmaster. Bigay mo na, bigay mo na.
Meanwhile,
Ay, ano kaya ang corneto ni ano? Ay puta, nagpaani. Marunong kanyan?
am more.
Lagagi, may saber pa.
Wala na, finish na.
Tignan natin yung lakas mo. Huwag mo kayo pahiya. Ako yung motivation mo, pero pinapakitaan mo ako ng pangit na galawan. Nakaka-disrespect. Ay. Lo! 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 Ayun!
Till the enemy reaches the battlefield. Smash that!
My heart rages around like an ocean in my head, because there are so many things that I left unsaid.
Some birds are never meant to be caged. Any place is within reach for me. I will fight alongside you, brother. You tag-alongs can't even touch my shadow. Where are you, Lily? Don't dress in a gown for the close combat.
My heart rages around like an ocean in my head. I can almost feel you walking in the distance, but I know
Don't mind me, just a little birdie passing by.
if you are echoing around inside these
My brother and I will shoulder the family glory. Where are you looking? I am here. Oh, darn it! I went a bit
Ayun lang! Ay! Ay, gago! Tayo mo, pre!
Oh, darn it! I went a bit too far.
Grabe, pinipistylan ako! Ito paani. Gago yung paani namin, pre, nag-aalimaw. Uy, tayo na mo. Uy, tulungan nyo, gago.
To be caged. Fully exposed!
Ay. Yun o. Tangina mo, pre. Sarap mo magpaani. Pre, grabe namang paani yan. Lang yan paani yan, pre.
like an ocean in my head, because there are so many things that I left
Ako dapat magbubuhat dito kasi ako yung mythic eh. Pero bakit ako yung bakit? Pero bakit ako yung nabubuhat pre? Ano na yung Gago. Ano yun?
Don't mind me, just a little birdie passing by. Some birds are never meant to be caged. Any place is within reach for me. Where are you looking? I am here.
I can almost feel you walking in the distance, but I know
Oh, darn it! I went a bit too far.
if you were coming around these dimensions alone, I'll find you in my dreams.
Fully exposed!
I can almost feel you walking in the distance.
Tangina pre. Legendary na yung pani namin. Nagpapasikat din yung namin heal mo ko. Wala ng pani namin pre. Gagi. Lakas ng pani namin pre. Matik end na agad yan. Tangina lakas ng pani namin. Ulala, pinuhat ako.